infinity. Infinity breathing. We'll be breathing from your feet or your toes, sweeping the energy or the awareness up to the crown of the head or even above the crown, and holding the breath for a few moments there. And then sweeping the awareness, the energy from the crown or above down the body back to your feet or toes. So breathing at your own timing, just sweeping up through the body to the crown or above. Hold the breath and then sweeping down. Just begin to move with the upward flow and the downward flow of energies. Feel that sweeping, all-encompassing breath, image, awareness. And then begin to relax away from the breathing. Just finding your natural center. Infinity meditation. Resting inside. Relaxing very deeply. And begin to inhale all the gifts of life force into you. And as you exhale, rest inside these gifts of the life force. Inhale as a great treasure, feeling all the gifts of life itself. And as you exhale, rest in the fullness, receiving all these gifts from life itself. And with every breath, just expand your capability to receive. Stretch your muscles to open and receive all the gifts life has to offer. These can be so simple, just the gift of breath and the elements. You can move deeper and more specific. Just expanding your capability to enjoy, to receive. And knowing you can never be full and still receiving and allowing and enjoying.